Nice to meet you. I'm Chef Robin Kort, foraging chef of the Pacific Northwest. So on this channel, you're going to learn about food, you're going to learn about foraging, you're going to learn about all the super tasty things that are out in the wilds, you know, the seashores to the forest to the meadows to urban foraging even, and then how to prepare them, how to cook those things, and also about things that you would use for survival. I grew up in Vancouver, Canada. Worked in the restaurant industry from a very young age, you know, moved to Barcelona to do some cooking there as well. So definitely cooked all over the place, but my passion is foraging, really. And, you know, I grew up walking with my father in the forest, learning to identify trees. That's how we started, right? And now I nibble on the trees, right? So you eat the shoots of the trees in spring are one of my favorite treats. Douglas fir or pine or spruce or lots of those different conifers. Tips are really, really tasty. And yeah, how do we take those ingredients that are around us in the Pacific Northwest and make those into our own cuisine? So, you know, the trees and the seafood and even the edible wild weeds and stuff like that. You know, that's our cuisine. That's the taste of the Pacific Northwest. So my recipes really focus on that. They're simple recipes. I try to keep it very simple. My favorite cuisines are Italian, you know, Mexican, Japanese, things that really focus on the clarity of the ingredient, and only having a few ingredients is always nice because then, you know, you really let you know, one of the ingredients shine and come forward. It's not overly complex. And in that way, it's easy for you guys to follow these recipes that I include in here. Mostly, hopefully they will be. Yeah, and if you can handpick something yourself, then it's going to taste all that much better because you worked for it, and you know, it's freshest then too, right? You know how long it took to get that plant from, you know, picked to your table, and it's going to show in what you cook and how your dish tastes. So yeah, enjoy these recipes and learn a little bit about eating in the wilds. So again, how to get in touch with me, either watch my videos and comment here, and please subscribe to the channel. I would love to teach you more basically about wildcraft and about cooking. And hit that notification button if you want to hear from me more regularly, or remember that I'm here. I never post a lot, so you'll never get a lot of notifications, but you know, when I do, you'll get an update. And on our website, we have all of our online courses, our pop-up restaurants, and our in-field tours in Vancouver, BC. I really hope you enjoy all the different videos that I'm producing, and yeah, I hope to chat with you soon.